The overall goal of this procedure is to isolate the mouse photoreceptor layer for culturing. The first step is to obtain a complete flat retina and to seal it onto a gelatin block. Next, the retina layers are successfully cut in order to isolate the photoreceptor layer. The final step is to seed purified photoreceptor cells in culture. Ultimately, the purity of the photoreceptor layer is confirmed by microscopy and immunofluorescence, followed by rod-derived cone viability factor testing.
The main advantage of this technique over existing methods like laser microdissection is to confidently isolate the photoreceptor layer.
The implications of this technology extend toward therapy of inherited retinal degeneration, since it is very convenient to study photoreceptor biology. We had originally developed this method to study the cellular interaction between rod and cone photoreceptors. The transplantation of layer photoreceptor into the eye of the RD1 mouse led to the identification of rod-derived cone viability factors.
Visual demonstration of these methods is critical as the obtaining of a flat-mounted retina is difficult to perform because it is tricky.
Before isolating the retina, prepare the Vibratome. Start with dishes of 20% gelatin solution taken out of storage at 4 degrees Celsius. Cut the gelatin with a scalpel. Then flip the gelatin.